15 super cool bathroom inventions we still use to this day. Hey guys, welcome back to Entrepreneur Pod. Today we'll talk about 15 super cool bathroom inventions we still use to this day. Let's head into it. Number 15. Little ball that filters any bath faucet. I already talked about the chlorine in your shower water, but when you're taking a bath, these minerals have ample time to soak into your wide open pores, drying out your skin in the process. The copper zinc bath ball filter hangs off your bath faucet to reduce chlorine and heavy metals for up to 12 months. It softens water for smoother hair and skin. And reviewers say, why did I wait so long to buy this? Number 14. A crystal clear bowl for up to 3 months, with no scrubbing. The Fluid Master Flush and Sparkle system fights stains, smells, and bacteria with every flush. It installs inside your tank to dispense antibacterial water straight into the bowl without causing damage to the components in your tank. That means a crystal clear bowl for 3 months without any work on your part. Number 13. Scrubber that cleans the corners of your shower and bathroom. The dirtiest part of any bathroom? The corners, of course. That's where all the grime seems to build up. Soaps come in the shower, and whatever grody stuff is around the toilet. That's why this tile and tub scrubber is perfect. Besides scrubbing tiles and glass clean, it's made to fit into those corners. Plus, the extendable handle makes cleaning possible without ever having to kneel down. Number 12. Prevent ponds on your bathroom floor. If every shower creates a pond on your bathroom floor, shower splash guards can help. They're strong and flexible clear plastic strips that keep both ends of your shower liner flush against the wall. They're virtually invisible from outside, install without any adhesive, and work with just about any curtain. Number 11. Plunger that's actually resistant to germs. People are absolutely loving the Clean Freak antibacterial plunger. That's because it's equipped with the germ guard protection, which provides ongoing defense against odor-causing bacteria, molds, and mildew. It's also got an easy drain tray that captures the water without forcing the plunger to sit in it all day. Number 10. Natural Daily Shower Cleaner. Even though I clean my shower and bathroom floor fairly often, I still find calcium and lime deposits build up on the drain and sides of my tub, and oftentimes they're impossible to scrub out. With this easy daily shower cleaner, you'll prevent those stains from ever popping up, made from non-toxic ingredients and scented with ylang-ylang. Just spray daily, and because it's so gentle, you don't even need to rinse. Number 9. Sanitizer that reduces germs. Plug the Germ Guardian UV sanitizer into an outlet in your bathroom and effortlessly zap away germs, odors, microscopic airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold spores. It uses a safe UVC light, and it's even got a convenient USB port to charge your devices. It's compact and made for small spaces, perfect for bathrooms that aren't getting a lot of air circulation. Number 8. Before You Go Spray. Made from a mix of essential oils, Mask is a before you go spray that creates a layer on top of the water to trap the odors underneath the surface, then simply flush away everything, leaving no trace. Reviewers love it because it's effective, and the scent is way more subtle and non-irritating than the competition. Number 7. Bamboo towels that are naturally resistant to gross smell. Bamboo belongs in every germ-concerned home, and that's because it's a fabric that's naturally antibacterial, mold-resistant, and antifungal. These Brooklyn bamboo bath towels are made from hypoallergenic bamboo, and in addition to being way softer and more absorbent than cotton, reviewers are saying things like, you barely have to dry yourself off. My husband is also enjoying, as he doesn't feel they smell musky by the second use. Number 6. Filtered shower head removes the chlorine. When it comes to bathrooms, I'm more grossed out by the harsh chemicals than the germs. Your shower water is loaded with things like chlorine and fluoride, and plenty of hard minerals that are really rough on your skin and hair. Barclays buys Filtered Shower Head reduces up to 90% of the chlorine and dissolved solids using calcium sulfide stones. It installs without any tools whatsoever, and it's made from durable metal and gives you a strong water pressure with a luxurious rainfall design. Number 5. UV light that zaps away germs on your toothbrush. If germs on your toothbrush freak you out, the ViaLife Toothbrush Sanitizer is a worthy investment. It uses a germicidal UV bulb to safely obliterate more than 99% of disease-causing viruses, and it only takes 6 minutes each time. It even doubles as a stand and toothbrush holder. Number 4. Bag that keeps your bathroom fresh. Because it's filled with super absorbent activated charcoal, this Vicello Air Freshener bag is a safe and toxin-free way to soak up odors, mildew, moisture, and allergens. It comes with a cute little sack that looks awesome on your shelf, hook, or toilet tank, and reviewers say it effectively removes odors in less than a day. Number 3. Touchless Soap. The Simple One Touchless Soap dispenser makes an awesome addition to any bathroom, especially if you regularly partake in messy activities like dyeing your hair or changing diapers. It's got motion sensor technology that automatically pumps the perfect amount of soap into your hand without having to spread germs, and it's wireless, drip-free, and comes in 2 sleek finishes. Number 2. toilet seat with a built-in air freshener. The Kohler Pure Fresh toilet seat is a damn awesome invention. In addition to having a built-in charcoal air freshener, it's got rubber grip tight seat bumpers that keep it secure and stable, a programmable nightlight, quiet close technology, and a quick release function so you can clean every inch. It also comes in a variety of shapes and styles. Number 1. The sink attachment that prevents clogs. If you blow dry your hair over the sink, you're going to want to try this. The Sink Shroom is a revolutionary mushroom-shaped plug that neatly collects every single hair while letting the water effortlessly flow through. It fits any standard size drain, comes in 6 fun colors, and wipes clean without any mess. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.